because here we are living our best life with the boho chic. But middle-aged maybe era in life, this chapter of our story, I think it's really important that we don't become wallflowers. It's very easy to do that. It's very easy to sink back and not be seen. And actually embracing all of your curves, all of your bits and pieces and wobbly bits, they are the story that got you here. So we need to embrace. Well, hello, and welcome back to another edition of Alex's Boho Chic Wardrobe. So today I've got something a little bit fun. I am very mindful that I sometimes think we don't use our wardrobe to its absolute potential. So today, what I want to do, if you've seen in the thumbnail, is we're going to bring in 3 swimsuits. I'm wearing one right now. 3 swimsuits, and we're going to match them up and take them from bougie by the pool daytime looks right up into let's go out at night, which I think if you're going on holiday could be a fantastic way to think about things, especially if you've got to pack a bit budget. You know, you've only got maybe a rucksack to take on, perhaps you're going hand luggage. This is for you. 3 looks, 1 pair of jeans, 3 swimsuits, which you're going to be wearing in the day anyway. So the first swimsuit is this one that I've got on. I'll run you through the swimsuits first, and then we'll take a quick look at some of the styling on them. So this is the swimsuit I picked secondly. Isn't she gorgeous? So this is like a rust colour with a tiny small ditzy floral white background. And then the other one I picked, this one's lovely. This is a little bit more in your face, but great for a holiday, is this really pretty almost Chinese blue flower design with a halter neck, and it's a little bit higher on the back, which is really flattering. If you get that little bit of fat that comes over your bra, this is amazing for that. If you don't know who I am by now, I'm Alex Keeper. I am a mid-size, middle-aged model. I'm also a full-time dominatrix, but that's for another page completely, because here we are living our best life with the boho chic. But I only mention it because it's something that I really think is important, that when we hit our middle-aged maybe era in life, this chapter of our story, I think it's really important that we don't become wallflowers. It's very easy to do that. It's very easy to sink back and not be seen. And actually embracing all of your curves, all of your bits and pieces and wobbly bits, they are the story that got you here. So we need to embrace them, celebrate them, and look fabulous in them. So, shall we start with the first bit of styling today? I'm going to bring you in, I think, with this lovely, let's do the blue one first actually. Let's do the blue one. So I'm going to move over so that you can get to see on the screen here.
With a stunning pair. Can you see that?
So we've got
of white heels
blue
with this beautiful
swimsuit first.
Paisley, would you call this paisley?
Reasonably high weight, high
swimsuit,
five, but not too much. I'll let the talking happen. So this was the other beautiful throw I bought in, which I thought very bohemian, very gorgeous, very loose and casual. How pretty is that? So for you mid-size, middle-aged ladies, stop hiding it all away. Come on, you can't tell me this is not fabulous. Right, so let's move on to the next outfit. So the next one is this really stunning little rust-coloured swimsuit. Both this one and the blue one were from Temu this year, so you'll still find them on their site. This black one is very old. I think this is probably like 10 years old, so I can't even tell you where it's from. I did style this one up with some really cute boots. As I said to you, this is a very bougie by the pool look, and I bought in a new hairband and my lovely throw. Okay, so here we have it with a gorgeous pair of simple wide leg jeans, nothing overly spectacular, nice and high-waisted for us ladies with the bit around the waist, lovely fit on the back, and then we're going to zhuzh this up a bit. You know I can't just leave it like this. We've already got the lovely hairband. I'm going to pop on a cute little braided black, brown belt just to kind of match up with the colours. I think this might look nice with the next outfit as well. Sorry if it's so loud. We have so many birds around here. It's gorgeous, but very loud. So we're going to do a small belt, and I think you could even do quite a chunky belt on this. But then let's add something. I know you may have seen this before. It's one of my favourite over garments. So what do you think now? Tell me. Suddenly chic, interesting, and all with your swimsuit. We have got to start using our wardrobe more effectively, right? Such a relaxed but very chic and very gorgeous look. And then why don't we take a look, come on ladies, at the last one, which is this one that I'm wearing here. You don't need to hide all those gorgeous cuts. So that I styled up with, as I said, a pair of black heels. But honestly, if you're in your 20s and loving life, by all means, you go with your heels by the pool. But truthfully, I'd probably be in a pair of lovely, sleek, pretty, diamante black flip-flops. So here is my last swimsuit on this, and you can tell me what saving the best for last, I think. What do you think of this lovely one? Really high cut, which is nice. Amazing detailing. We've got, can you see here, it's like a mesh section, really nice. That goes around to the back, giving a very flattering look, I believe. So here's this lovely swimsuit with just my pair of jeans. It really transfers beautifully from daytime, I think, to nighttime. You could definitely wear that as a really pretty going out night top. And then again, if we want to look at maybe comfort, maybe you don't like your arms as much, or you just feel a little bit exposed, we could also take that lovely shawl and add that in to just give that last bit of styling, which makes it just look a bit chic and very put together, don't you think? So I absolutely can't wait to hear in the comments which outfit was your favourite. So let me hear it then. What are your thoughts? Please tell me. Do you think this is a great idea? Is it a really easy way to pack for holiday? I'd absolutely love to hear which was your favourite look. I actually don't have one. I feel like this one was so floaty and so bohemian and so casual, and that lovely sort of fringing and suede, and oh, it was just gorgeous. I think it would look really nice with the sunglasses too. I forgot to change them in. But I also think this black one is really good for transferring from day to night. You could literally go from the beach to a bar and stay out all night and look so chic and so fabulous. And as we always talk about when it comes to this like bohemian style, there are some rules that make this work, and that of course is you need to have movability. You need to have, maybe your earrings have got some movement, maybe there's some fringing in your outfit. Again, with this one there's a bit of fringing, a bit of lace. Mixing textures is so important. You want that suede, the leathers, the chiffons, everything to just, you know, coordinate really beautifully. And often with boho chic, it doesn't need to match. Matchy doesn't work for this. So are you going to try this? Please put down in the comment if you're going to have a go at looking at your old swimsuits and seeing if there's one you could actually dress up and make into a really beautiful summer top. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I am very grateful that you've come in to join. I would love you to subscribe if you'd like. Please do subscribe, because I'm bringing you tons and tons of really chic, fun, wearable outfits that most people have got something in their wardrobe. This is not the channel where I expect you to go out and buy new items of clothing every season. No, this is a channel where we're just living our best life in our favorite items of clothing. So if you wouldn't mind, subscribe if you fancy it, if you've enjoyed this. Comment, please. That is my biggest ask. Comment, comment, comment. I love reading them. I jump into bed every night and run through the comments, and I promise I'll do my best to get back to you and definitely respond. So thank you so much for being here today. Have an amazing day. 9:40.